Have you ever noticed the Americans often say tuna where the Brits say tuna? This video is going to explain why the Brits pronounce the T as ch in certain words. The general pattern is that when T is followed by the U sound, like you find in you, it becomes chew, like in tuna, Tuesday, tulip, tuition and tumour. However, in careful RP, words like tune, tube and tutor tend to keep a more traditional y sound. However, in modern RP and many southern British accents often use the ch pronunciation, like I would. I would say tune, tutor and tube with the ch sound. Both are correct, but it can be easier to say ch rather than y. And especially in fast connected speech, you might notice this trend. This doesn't only happen at the start of words, it can also happen at the end. We can hear this in common suffixes like ture and tual. For example, nature. We don't say nature, we say nature. Future, culture, lecture, picture, structure, mixture. And for tual is in actual. We don't say actual, we say actual. Tual. More examples are spiritual, virtual, eventual, habitual, intellectual, contextual. For the full list of examples, check out the video description. And if you enjoy the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to book a lesson with me, follow the link. We also have the words virtue, statue, and century. All these words have the T followed by the U sound, which we pronounce as chew. In connected speech, this becomes even more noticeable. When a word ending in a T is followed by U, it often blends together to become chew. So instead of saying each word clearly and separately, English speakers will naturally simplify it when we're speaking quickly, just because it makes it easier. So for example, don't you becomes don't you. Don't you want to go? Won't you becomes won't you be tired? Can't you? Can't you do it later? Meet you? Nice to meet you. Get you? Can I get you a cup of tea? Depending on the British accent, you'll notice this more or less. For example, in the south of the UK, we do tend to do this, especially when I'm speaking with my family or friends. In fast, informal speech, this can even reduce further, especially in casual conversation. For example, what are you doing? Can become what you doing, whatcha doing, which has a much more friendly register. So, to sum up, when T comes before a U sound, it can become the ch sound in words and in connected speech. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.